Hi, I'm Candice Betty. Today we're talking about how to use Herbe Sois Calming Moisturizer. Now this was the first skincare product that I ever developed because I needed a rich moisturizer to help calm my redness. You're going to see how I use it to provide nutrients to my skin at night and to help restore and renew my skin. It helps reduce my redness and it helps me prevent premature aging. If you want to know how to use your skincare products and get the most out of them, you're in the right place. We're getting started right now. This is the fourth video in the series, How to Use Your Skincare Products. In the first three videos, we discussed how to use face wash, toner, and serum. If you missed these three videos, you can find a link to them below in the description. Now, I use a rich moisturizer at night when my skin feels dry during the fall and winter months. Herbe Sois Calming Moisturizer delivers so much intense moisturizer, I actually considered calling it a moisture balm when I first made it. It's made with shea butter, hyaluronic acid, and my favorite blend of calming essential oils. After I complete my first three skincare steps, and see the first three videos for those, I use a generous amount of this moisturizer on my face. And about that much. It is very rich and I rub it together on my fingers to warm it, and then I smooth it into my skin in an upwards and outwards motion. And you can see that amount covers pretty much my whole face, and it soaks in. It has a really nice herbal scent. It is actually unscented, does not contain any artificial scents, but the essential oils have a very nice floral scent, and they soak into the skin and dissipate fairly rapidly. So that is my favorite blend of calming essential oils, and it really helps with the redness in my skin. Now you know how to use Herbe Sois Calming Moisturizer. This cream is formulated with a powerful blend of moisturizing and anti-aging ingredients, antioxidants, Immortelle oil, and hyaluronic acid. It's very nutrient dense, and this formula helps me prevent aging at the cellular level. If you'd like more information on all of the ingredients in Herbe Sois Calming Moisturizer, visit the Organic Radiant Skincare website, which I'll include a link to in the description below. Next up in the series is how to use lavender cream exfoliator. If you like this video, please share it with a friend. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.